I'm out at Kaibab Lake in Williams today. When I first pulled up, I heard an osprey and I caught a glimpse of it. Yeah, yesterday I stopped filming because of all the thunder. Just packed everything up and left. I did get some photos later in the day by my parents' house. I got some good sunset photos. I've been down here at the lake once before, but I didn't stay too long. I see an osprey right now. I'm gonna hang out at the shore and hopefully I'll get a photo of it diving for a fish. It's always a really cool shot to get with osprey. Two bald eagles just showed up on this far side of the lake, far away from where everyone's fishing. On my walk over here, I saw cormorants, ducks, and a great egret too. I could be out here all day easily, but I have to head back home today. So I'm gonna start making my way to the other side of the lake. I just got photos of a type of blue jay. Either it's a pinyon jay or a Mexican jay. Not too sure. But it's mostly a blue body with a black head. They're really pretty in the light. Still ospreys flying all over. Bunch of great egrets flying around too. So much bird activity over on this far side of the lake. I just got two different species of small birds. One of them I couldn't zoom in too far. My camera wouldn't focus on it. I already spent more time out here than I intended. But yeah, next time I'm up in Williams, I'm gonna spend an entire day out here from like sunrise to sunset. There's just so much bird activity going on. Easily one of the best days I've had for getting photos of birds. It's kind of hard to tell what some of them were. They were kind of far away up in the trees, but I should be able to crop in enough to be able to see what it is. Yeah, I keep getting distracted. I keep walking off the trail, get photos of birds that I'm hearing or just following them.